Guys, I just woke up. So today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I take care of my beard when I wake up in the morning, from this to this to this. And I'm gonna show you guys what I use and how I take care of my beard. So this video is basically for anyone who wants to know how I shampoo and condition my beard and what beard oil I do apply in my beard and most of my whole process doing that. So that's what you're gonna get in this video, and that's what you guys are gonna see. So let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Arcway, a new direction of a modern man, and it is the morning. It is the AM. I got my dewy on. If you guys don't know, I got my hoodie. I just came out of the bed, nice and toasty, making this video just for you guys. So today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to basically go through the process of taking care of your beard. So from shampooing to conditioning to using the beard oil, which I'm gonna apply in my beard, and just showing you guys my whole process and what I usually do. These are products I actually haven't really experimented with enough. I'm excited to give you guys a little mini review on the process, but this basically video is more or less quarterly about the process of my beard care and also basically using the shampoo and conditioning. First step I do is wash the beard. So first thing I'm gonna do here is basically rinse it with some lukewarm water. So now I wet the beard with that lukewarm water. Now I'm gonna apply my Kiehl's shampoo and conditioner. So what I'm gonna do with my hand here, so I'm gonna put like a penny size, maybe a little more, a dime size. Depending on your beard length, you could go a lot more than this. You could put a lot less, depending if you do have a smaller beard. Just make your best judgment on the size of beard you do have and how much shampoo and conditioner you are gonna apply. And I will show you guys what I do from there. Okay, I'm gonna go on one knee here, the Colin Kaepernick. All right, so I'm gonna put it on my beard. So I'm gonna put it on my beard like that. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be looking up at the camera just to see what's going on. Maybe I need a little more, so let's pour a little more. Oh, okay, there we go. So what I do when I put it in my beard, as you do see, I go usually circular rotations. These are tips of my hands, circular rotations all around. Make sure you do get under the chin. People don't usually wash under the chin a lot. It's a good place to start because a lot of bacteria, a lot of dandruff, a lot of things you pick up, food, crumbs, a lot of everything kind of just picks up under your beard you don't realize. Take care with doing that under your beard. After you kind of do like a little circular motion from the left and from the right, I kind of just soothe the whole beard. I kind of personally naturally just let it go in the rhythm of what I want to grow it into. As you guys know, I want to grow into that 300 look. So that's what I'm going for. Me and my barber were talking, and we're not going to shave the sides and probably give it another month, maybe a month or two, till we can start really giving it some shape. Right now at this stage, it's just more about filling it out a lot more. So as you guys do see, I put the shampoo and conditioner in the beard. So I'm just gonna let it set for like maybe 30 seconds. So after it's set for 30 seconds, now we're back to the rinse. Let's go. So now when I start rinsing, I'm gonna apply medium to hot water just to rinse it out my beard a lot more. It'll still open up the pores, but I'm gonna rinse it out a lot more. Just get it, make sure all the suds are actually out the beard. You're gonna see a lot of the dirt and grime just in the bowl of the sink, as much as is in the shower. Okay, so now that I rinsed the beard, what I'm gonna do from here on out is just give it a little dry, and then I'm basically gonna put some beard oil into it. So let's get my towel, let's pat this off, just wring this out as much as possible. And also, don't be shy to use your pick or whatever comb you use, a brush, whatever you use for your beard. Don't be afraid to use whatever you need to use, just to bring it out a little bit, fluff it up a little bit, just to see what you're working with. Anytime it comes to beards, I always pat it up. I pat. Pushing my beard to a length that it's gonna start breaking or it starts getting more brittle. I always pat it. You should pat under the beard. It's very, very important. I actually just skipped my skincare routine. If you guys want to see that, you just let me know in the comments down below and how I do line up my beard underneath. So after I pat my beard up with my face cloth, now I'm going to start applying the Kiehl's beard oil. So now I'm going to start applying this beard oil into the beard. One of the biggest things I'll say to anyone who does have a beard and are applying beard oil into your beard is don't put too much. If you put too much, your beard's gonna look really, really greasy. It just looks
1, 2, 3. Just looks so soft.
Extra shiny. You just don't want to have that look. So you want to have a look where you don't have a lot, but you just have enough. So in this case scenario, I'm basically show you what I do on an average basis because I've been through it all. So what I usually do is put like dab right there. So I did five little dabs in my hand. Basically, I'm rubbing my hand here and then soothe it through my beard. This is actually a different smell than most of my beard oils. It's a lot more heavier. What is this? It's what's in it? Doesn't even say, but it smells like argan oil. So I'll put maybe one more. There I go. Put a little extra on the hair, you never know. When I pick out my beard, I'm never hard on it. I take it easy. I lightly brush it out. It got to the point where I'm not brushing through a beard that is super, super dry. So it's a lot more comfortable for me to pick out and it's not gonna strain my beard. So now I get my main brush here. I just basically just smoothing it out on the sides. Just have that crisp finish. We are back. So that is my skincare routine. For everyone who is interested in knowing more about that, leave your comments in the section down below. And also the question of the day, guys, is what is your beard care process? Let me know your process in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys use. Most importantly, nice and fluffy, guys, nice and fluffy. Gotta keep it fluffy, guys. Keep it fluffy for the ladies, guys. Let's go. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know if you love this video. Let me know if you like it. Yet again, guys, thank you for watching Artquay, a new direction of modern man, on today's topic of beard care. This is Mr. Lou. Thank you guys so much for watching Artquay, a new direction of a modern man, #beard care. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's wrap.